Ah, Ori's B-side. Hey, don't do that. Yo! The most obvious things for me is there is these themes about anger. So when he sees that Tamon-kun gets to be the center, a quivering loser, right? Of course he's angry. Welcome back, guys. Today the mood is a little bit gloomy, but it's okay because we are checking out the new episode of Tamon's B-side. Tamon is so lucky, bro. He is handsome and talented, and the perfect girl just come through his door. Why is it so unfair? Okay. So the first two episodes we have learned a little bit about Utage and Tamon, right? We got to know a little bit of backstory. So I expect this episode maybe we'll see more about the people around them, right? Maybe the member of FaZe, maybe about Utage's friend at school, or maybe their siblings at home. We'll see. So let's jump right into the episode, shall we? What is this? Reality show? You don't need that shirt, bro. We already know you are so hot, bro.
私、トランポリンでありたい。
Oh,
彼らをスターダムへとのし上げるただの気候として存在したい。
my mind, bro.
木下さんは特別です。
いや、ちょっと待って。あれ多分私が選んだネックレスだよね。どうした？チューしてた？っていうかなんで私物つけてるの？
Our girl, so hyperactive.
何がどう特別なんだろう。
Will we get to know more about Ori in this episode? If you haven't seen my first episode reaction, when I dissected the OP, I say that I don't trust Ori. Like this part where he is looking at Utage. Why is he looking like that? We'll see what Ori is all about.
今日はオーリの肌ツヤが最高だな。いや違う。今日はオーリの肌ツヤが最高潮。いや違う。何言ってんだ俺。
大丈夫ですか？
あ、
台本
Utage working in his home all night?
されてるんですが、
What?
その中にフリートークがあって、ガチガチに準備していかないとキャラ崩壊を起こすので、台本に台本を書き込んでいます。
See what?
オーリ君とも打ち合わせしないといけないし、バラエティ怖いよ怖いよ。
やっぱりオーリ君とはビジネス仲良しだったんですね。
So the group is really not that close, huh?
仲良しペテンサイでローにぶち込んでください。本当の自分を出す勇気の
Like,
ない自分
calm
を
down,
覚
calm
えてくだ
down,
さい。
Tamon, calm down.
感動しました。タモン君が我々ファンを喜ばせようと裏でこんなに努力してること、そして
Tamon, you damn lucky boy.
夢を見せる天才
So lucky.
誇ってください、タモン君。それではお疲れ様でした。帰ったら新しいレシピ試してみるか。美味しかったらタモン。うわっ。
Hello.
私の不注意です。
あ、
Mm-hmm.
お怪我はありませんか。
オーリ君。
あなたの心を僕にください。姫。
Child actor?
本物だー。オーリ君、
いやいやいや
タモン君の手だけ握っててください。失礼しました。
ファンの子だよね。
嘘、うちわがない。
Oh, that's homemade fun.
福原様。不用心。私みたいなヤバいファンに侵入されたらどうするの？
Ah, Ori. What are you doing with that light stick, girl? You wanna stab him with that?
おい、何ちんたらやってんだよ、ノロマ。撮影帰りで疲れてんのにわざわざ出向いてやったんだぞ。分かってんのか。
Ori's B-side.
は？
あ、
Why is he on top of the table?
今日も暑いですね。無理したらダメですよ、タモン君。
The switch.
あれ、さっきのことですよね。ついてきちゃったん
You
です
get
か？
caught already.
あ、これですよね。素敵なうちはもう落とさないよう気をつけてくださいね。え、揉めてるように見えた？毎日一緒にいれば。
So fake, so fake. This show is so stupid.
タモン君を祀るためのこのうちわでタモン君の頭ベス
お
ベスって許せ
Yo.
信じられないタモン君を
Come
叩くなんて神の頭皮にダメージを与えるな
Chihuahua.
オーリ君がああなのはいつものことなので慣れてます。
慣れないでください
すみません。明日の打ち合わせ。
この俺をぶん投げるなんていい度胸してるじゃねえか。
What is this? Is this Ranma?
面白い女だな。
So
こうな
stupid.
らねえんだよな、クソが。普通に謝れ。すみませんでした。なんで
Ah, the gorilla. He is so strong.
タグだが何ですか突っ立ってるだけのタモン君で動く経済があることを忘れないでください
俺を無視すんな。何者だお前。
締めは
Get you a girl like Utage, man.
福原さんのお宅のハウスキーパーです
ただのハウスキーパーか。というか、ファンでも普通あんなうちは持ち歩かねえんだよな。もしかせずともてめえ、やべえファンだな。
はい
Sure. Yeah, at least he's self-aware.
達人、この状況でも震えてるだけの雑魚。マジで、こんな奴がセンターなんて胸くそ悪い。
何言ってるんですかタモン君のいる場所が世界のセンターですよ
Come on,
セクシー
Utage,
ワ
fight
イ
it.
ルドでもヘタレでもタモン君はタモン君だタモン君が立ってる場所が地軸だ北極に締原さん南極に池原君がいる
意味わかんね
What,
人格はどう
what
でも
are
いい
you
ってこと
talking
だよ
about?
え。いるんだよな。相手がどんな奴だろうがヘラヘラ接待するやから。
タモン君は神。木下さんはそんな人じゃないです。人からヤバい人だと思われようが、人のために怒れる優しくて勇気がある人です。
Oh, that's how Tamon sees Utage. Interesting.
タピオカ飲んで落ち着け。ごめんなさい、ごめんなさい。心開くの苦手なくせに家のドアガバガバでごめんなさい。
That's what you're worried about.
あんなカルシウム不足と二人きりで本当に大丈夫ですか
ああ、オーリ君ももう帰るみたいなので。
それなら安心です
木下さ
はい
ん、なんでもないです。
では
Why are you so cute? Why are you acting so cute?
明日の収録も頑張るので、見てくださいね。
Yeah. Praise him, praise him. He won that praise.
これからもたくさん稼がなくっちゃ
Oh, so scary.
何ですか
Hey, don't do
人
that.
に言うんじゃないぞ。
What?
今日見たこと。
あなたの本性のことなら誰にも言いませんよ
何が欲しい？
え
あいつに何かさせてやろうか。俺の言うことなら何でも聞くぞ。
Yo, yo, yo.
それ以上タモン君を侮辱したら命はありませんよ
Man, this girl is so cool.
それからあなたの本性についてですけど嫌いな人のことはどうでもいいですバラす以前に今日から話題にもしません安心してくださいさよなら
She is so cool. Standing on business.
でねフェイス公式からの供給だ
新曲おっしゃバラードか
めっちゃ良くない？
でもこれまでの曲と全然毛色が違いますねリード曲では初だな
Oh, Kai looks so cool with the cap.
フェイスのセンターはタモン君で固定のはずでしょ
センター
We are going to fight for center position? Oh,
Jodo.
drama.
かっこつけるだけが俺たちの仕事じゃない本気で来いよ
ギャパフル TV で独占生配信全5回7月22日より毎週水曜更新
シメハラさん、新番組の CM 見ました。私はセンターを選び直す必要など全くないと思うのですが、タモン君に失礼すぎやしませんか？
She's so mad.
聞いてください
Chill.
実はかねてからオール君がセンターを希望してて今回の企画はそれを組んだものなんです
そんな。
タモン君がセンターじゃなくなるなんて考えられませんあまり自信がないので選ばれなくても仕方ないかなってうわ
ファンは、私たちはタモン君がどこで歌ってたって応援しますよ。でもあなたは世界中を笑顔にする人でしょ。これ式のことで諦めてる場合ですか？
本当は
はい。
この
Honestly?
企画決まった日
はい。
悔しくて枕が腐るぐらい泣きました
好きです。
And I love their dynamic. So funny, so cute.
フェイスセンター再選抜特番第1回本日放送。私、タモン君が不当な評価を受けたら全身武装して事務所を襲撃するかもしれない。自分がどうなるかわからなくて怖いよ。冷静に番組を見ま。
She can get so extreme sometimes. It would be so funny if the center is neither of these two guys.
あ、見て。始まったよ。みんな精神統一して。
Okay, girl, let's focus.
もちろん。
新曲のタイトルは「レイン」失ったものの大きさに気づいた男の後悔を
Who is
叙
this
情
lady?
的なメロディーに乗せた失恋バラー
Is this lady the
ドそして
producer?
第1回は切なさをテーマにしたシチュエーションバトル準備はいいか
はい
Okay, let's fight fair and square.
夕暮れにその降る雨来年まで会えない桜
頬を撫でる夜風、岩に染み入るセミの声。
The child actor skills. Oh, it's the producer.
さ
I'm
すが
right.
ですね
みんな落ち着いて。オーリ君には悪いけど、これは想像の域を出なかった。
Yeah.
私たちの想像を超えていくのはそう。いつだってタモン君だ。
Show us what you got,
タモ
Tamon
ン君
Kun.
はやってくれるよ。世界中を笑顔にするために。
Our girl believe in you. Come on, Tamon. Let's go.
地位も名声も得た。
行くな
爆撃でダンスもうまい。女
The girl had brown hair. Did he imagine Utage?
満たされることによって満たされない王者の渇き。
What's with all the chain?
オーリ君が計らいはる。タモン君は永遠に砕けないダイヤモンドなのよ。
Glazer.
それな、教科書に載せようそれ。この日、タモン教徒たちは察した。タモン君の人生に失恋とかいう概念がなさすぎる。
タモン君お疲れ様でしたお疲れいやーまさかお前があそこまでダメだとは思わなかったなバトルは残り4回これ楽勝だな
Ori is a bit of an asshole.
なるほど
So
どんな顔してん
funny.
だろうな愛想をつかされてないといいなじゃあまた明日
Oh, bringing her up. That might be your downfall, Ori.
終わったミスラできないのに失恋の想像なんかできるわけないじゃないですか
Come on, Tamon, do it for your girl.
頑張れば頑張るほど 池原になっちゃうんです。今までずっとそれでやってきたし、それで喜んでもらえたから。
ちめはらさん。何？マンモス？
Oh no, the gorilla is coming.
ゴリラ。
いい加減湿気まき散らすのやめろ。俺の部屋にもなんか生えてきただろうが。ごめんなさい。
上に住んでたんですか？
見た。
They live upstairs. Did the whole group live in this one apartment? That will be so funny.
荒けたホストキャラしかできねえじゃねえか。
池原くんのキャラから逃れられなかったのが、ちめはらさんが努力を積み重ねてきた何よりの証拠です。彼は頑張れる人です。こんなやつとか言わないでください。
Utage is the best.
タモン、この女に至っては本性を知ってなお離れない。
フェイスのセンターは坂口くんで決まりだろ。さすがご両親のいい DNA を送ってるね。
こっちを見ろ。お前、俺がセンターになったらうちに来い。
Oh. Eh? What was that, look? Why is already ending? What the hell? That felt like 5 minutes. Oh my god. Crazy, crazy episode. I think I'm actually obsessed with this anime, guys. Wow, so many things happens today. Where should we start? I guess the most obvious things for me is there is these themes about anger. Yeah, anger. Obviously, we got introduced to the prince, the gorilla, Orikun. And it seems that his B-side is that he is very short-tempered, right? Or as Utage puts it, he is lacking calcium. I didn't know that. I didn't know that if you lack calcium, you will easily get angry. Thank you, Utage. But also, there was this moment where Tamon said that he admires Utage because he is brave and that she can be angry for others. So yeah, getting angry for other people. I guess that's gotta be where the character development for Ori gotta be, right? Yeah, it makes sense. I guess let's talk about that. Anger is not always bad, right? I think the emotion of anger usually comes from wanting to protect something that we own, protecting our boundary, something like that, right? So, protection. What I mean by that is that, for example, right, if someone is stealing from us, if we are not angry enough, yeah, they will just take it. If at work or in a relationship, someone is abusing us, abusing our boundaries, if we are not angry enough to fight back, then they will keep doing it. So, when this center selection arc began, Tamon is not angry, right? Internally, he already gave up to Ori. That is, until Utage come and is angry on behalf of him. There was this moment, right, where Utage said that we all your fans will support you anyway, but is this really what you want? Tamon opens up about his real feelings, right? And then he gets this competitive anger and he is motivated to keep his center position. Yeah, that was a good moment. I love that moment. Of course, I think there are moments where Utage's anger can be a bit excessive, right? Like starting a fight in the handshake event, making commotion. But I think her anger always comes from a place of selflessness, right? Like, don't hurt the people that I care about. Something like that. Then there is Ori-kun's anger, right? It might come from trauma, like sometimes at home you are not allowed to express anger, so you lash out to the people outside of that, right? To your friends, to your colleagues, because at home your anger is repressed. No. So this is what I think, right? Ori-kun's anger comes from thinking that he deserves something that he doesn't have, right? The center position. He doesn't have it, but he thinks he deserves it. So he is angry about it, right? But basically entitlement. So the next question becomes, why is Ori like this, right? Well, we got his backstory. So, we were told that Ori has been in the entertainment industry since he was a child, right? That he inherited a star DNA from his parents. From that, there is this expectation that he should be the one that is the center. It should be easy for him, and that Tamon becoming the center was a fluke. But here's the thing, right? When people expect something to be easy for you, then you're not allowed to struggle, right? You cannot show weakness because then people will say, you are wasting your talent. Or something like, why are you complaining? You are so ungrateful. Something like that. So, Ori must always be strong. So when he sees that Tamon-kun gets to be the center, while he is this so insecure bundle of mess, a quivering loser, right? Of course he's angry. Why does he get to be imperfect and can still succeed and be the center, while I have to be perfect all the time? Something like that. Another thing that stands out to me in this episode is that there is two moments where Utage is recognizing Tamon's hard work, right? And the second time it happens, it makes Ori wants Utage for himself. I think it might be because people rarely recognize his hard work, right? I would imagine people might have often dismissed his hard work, saying things like, "Oh, of course you are good at that. You are the son of the famous entertainers. Of course you are good." So I think he is jealous seeing that Utage can actually recognize hard work in Tamon, right? He wants someone to genuinely praise him for his hard work too. Oh my god. Speaking of anger, who could I forget about that final shot? What was that? Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. This could be trouble. I've been saying since the previous episode, right? That his anxiousness, his fear of losing affection, it might turn into something more possessive, something more extreme, right? And I think that this is it. This is it. Previously, I've made comparison of Tamon to Menhera Shoujo Kurumi-chan, right? And in that manga, the girl often threatens her boyfriend with self-harm or even something worse. Man, I hope Tamon doesn't become that extreme. Hopefully. What else? This episode we also get introduced to the producer. And I believe this wasn't the first time we have seen her. We seen her back in the first episode, where her ultimatum to Tamon to hide his B-side personality, it caused him a lot of distress, right? So I think I can see we will have a conflict with her in the future between Utage and her. So yeah, I think I will stop there this episode. What about you guys? What did you guys think about the episode? I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. So once again, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.